Hello, this is CCOOOXX1, and I just took a poop in the toilet, and I think you're gonna have to go clog up the, bring it up. Can you just go get, Plungerina? I do not know a Plungerina. I thought you sounded like Plungerina, you son of a beep, beep, beep. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? Is, Miss Fartin Poo here? I do not know Miss Fartin Poo. Why would you want... Yeah, go to the toilet and go fart and poo with Miss Plungerina. Hee hee hee. 5 days later of prank calling. Woo! Prank calling! Didn't. Oh, hi, Plungerina. It's not Plungerina! Ow! Liv, turn that off. Come on, Epona! Nay, nay, nay! Let's get the out of here. Woo! Woo! Never a prank call.